Chapter 4 Travel Smart. In the world of information technology, Smart Card is one of the latest additions. It is a plastic card with an embedded microchip that can be loaded with data, used for telephone calling, cash payments, and other applications. Let's talk about some widely used smart cards of the world. It is a smart card ticketing system used for electronic payment of fares on most public transport services in Melbourne, Australia. Can you name this card? Mikey. It is a smart card system used in bus, train, and metro of the metropolitan area of Recife, Brazil. The cards are operated by using wireless technology as they have an internal chip. Can you name this card? When? It is a rechargeable smart card for paying transportation fares in public transport systems in India. The card aims to be a single point of transaction applicable in state buses, metro, and even parking. Can you name this card? More Card. It is a rechargeable stored value smart card used by major public transit operations in Quebec City, Canada. This card can be read by smartphones. Can you name this card? Opus.